Hello and welcome to this tour of number 113 Buttsville Road here in North Woodley. So what we have here is a chalet style property, originally a bungalow. As you can probably see, we have a loft conversion providing 2 additional bedrooms. So this is a property that's got quite flexible accommodation. You can either use it as 4 bedrooms or potentially even 5 bedrooms. So let's first of all just show you the frontage that we have. I'll just step back slightly. You can see we have wrought iron gate entrance and a block paved driveway. Just to the left there, you can see the white van under a carport. That takes you through to the to the garage, and then the front garden here. It's all walled with quite nice wrought iron work and bushes there. There's a lawn and additional parking as well. Just to the right hand side of the property, you'll see the green gate there. That is a side access down to the rear garden. Let's now take you through the front door and let's give you a tour inside. So if you have any questions about this property as we're walking around, please do type away and send them through to me. I'll try and answer those as best as I can as we walk around. I am actually making a recording of this, so that recording is going to be available to rewatch later on today. And also, if you'd like to actually take a viewing inside this property at any point during this tour, just click on the button that says request a private inspection, and that'll come through to us. It'll fire an email to our team telling us that you want to have a look inside, and we'll give you a call and arrange the viewing appointment. So let's start with the tour itself. So in the entrance hall, you can see here the staircase taking you to the first floor. The entrance hall is a little bit bigger than you may realise. I'll show you in just a second, but I'm just going to start by spinning round just to show you the front door entrance there that we've just come through. If I just reverse up here, and then I can show you the rest of the entrance hall, because it goes off to the left and to the right. To the left there, taking you through to the lounge and kitchen, and then ahead of me here to the right down to bedrooms and bathrooms as well. I'm going to make my way through here, just passing a built-in cloaks cupboard on the left, through to the lounge to start with. So this is an L-shaped room, which has a bay window at the front, as you can probably see there. Quite a nice sized lounge. We've got a fireplace here with a gas living flame effect fire. Quite a nice fireplace surround, as you can see. Side aspect window there, that takes you looking into the carport. And then the glass blockwork there through to the kitchen, just creating a bit of borrowed light, which is quite nice. Spinning all the way around just to try and give you the full idea of this room. And as I said, that nice bay window at the front there as well. So let's make our way through to the kitchen. It's good to see that we have 14 people watching. 14 people watching here today, so welcome to everybody. Just to remind you again, if you have any questions, then do ask. So yes, this is certainly one of the features of this property. You can see a very nice kitchen dining room. Lots of units, eye-level units, base units, work surfaces. Moving down to the far end here, you can see we have more sort of units here. There's the sink unit. Just beneath, you can just about see the dishwasher slightly ajar there. I've just opened that. On the right hand side here, we have an integrated washing machine as well. A movable island unit there, and a range cooker. And then the French doors onto the rear garden. I'm just going to spin around, try and give you an idea from the other angle. So as you can see, not really a breakfast area, much more of a dining area this. One of the rooms, which I'll show you in a moment, is used as a separate formal dining room. This is where the sort of 4 or 5 bedrooms will come in, but as I say, I'll show you that as we move along. I'm going to take you just through this door here, just because it's into the garage, directly into the garage. It's a good sized garage. Just looking to the left there, we've got a roller door, as you can see there, but also looking to the right, almost like a utility area at the end, more space for fridges, freezers, tumble dryers, that sort of thing. There is a door ahead of me there taking you into the garden just to the right of the window. So this is off the kitchen, which is why I've sort of almost said it's like a utility area really. Okay, so that is the lounge, the kitchen, diner. Let's now make our way across to this room here. So this is the room which the current owners use as a dining room. Equally, it could be a bedroom. And I say that because obviously the kitchen is big enough to be a kitchen diner. We've got a bay window on the front again. All the windows, by the way, are UPVC double glazed. We also have gas central heating. Okay, and then through this area, so we've got 2 more bedrooms, so that would actually be possibly 3 bedrooms downstairs. This is a nice double room, pretty good size. As you can see on the left hand side, space for furniture. There's a triple wardrobe stood there, but good to see a double bed in situ, so it really gives you an idea of the size of the room. And then through here we have the master bedroom, because we have an ensuite on this room. So this is at the rear of the house. Again, you can see we've got plenty of space for furniture here, and the rear aspect window, and in the corner to my left here, this is the ensuite. So really nice size. It's an ensuite shower. There's the shower on the left hand side there. It's quite a large shower cubicle, that one. And the low level WC there with the wash basin, vanity cupboards, and then the rear aspect window here with a radiator beneath, and quite a nice tiled floor. So that's the ensuite. I'll now show you the main family bathroom, which is this one. This is a really good size, and it has it's 4-piece because we have a corner bath and a shower cubicle as well. So just focusing on this end of the bathroom for the moment, you can see the low level WC. We've got vanity cupboards there. There's the shower cubicle, and spinning round, the wash basin with more cupboards underneath, and there's the corner bath. All tiled walls, very nicely finished, and a tiled flooring as well. I shouldn't forget the heated towel rail. So all tiled, and yeah, really nicely finished, and quite a large bathroom as well. So the bathrooms are finished to a really good standard. So that's the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs. I've just got a question that's come into me that's just asked about Wangel's College catchment, which this property does in fact sit in. So no problem at all. I did get a question earlier which was asking me about Woodley Shopping Centre, the proximity. I'm going to guess and say it's about a 10-minute walk to Woodley Shopping Centre. So very close by. So as you can see, we're on the first floor. We've got 2 bedrooms up here. So loft conversion. You can see we've got the dormer window there. And on the right hand side, built-in wardrobes. I'm just going to step back. This cupboard here, this is where the boiler, the gas boiler, lives. And then on the other side of this landing, another bedroom. Got a double bed in here. Again, built-in wardrobes on my left-hand side here. And a dormer window, which is a front aspect. So that is the accommodation. And I'm now going to make my way downstairs and show you the rear garden. So we've seen the garage. I did mention in front of the garage there's a carport as well. So the front garden, parking for quite a few vehicles, as well as the carport and garage. The rear garden is mainly laid to lawn, but it does have a very large patio. So bit of a windy day today, not sure if the wind is interfering with the mic, but hopefully not. So right to the left hand side here, yes, you can see this large patio. Nice paving slabs. it does actually extend here to the rear. There's a just in the corner there that takes you through to the side access to the front, and then we have this winding path taking you to the garden shed in the corner. Quite nice fencing surround. I'm just going to step over here and turn around and just show you the back of the property. It's quite a wide property. There you go. It's been extended, as you can see, right across the back. Quite a nice family detached home, but also a very convenient location here in North Woodley. So that just about ties up the tour for you. And any questions you may have, my name's Gary. Do ask to speak to me when you call the office. Alternatively, it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. And thank you to those people that have clicked on that viewing request a private inspection button. So we'll give you a call and we'll book in the viewings. Obviously, if you're watching the recording of this, then yes, of course, you need to phone the office. So just remains to say thank you very much for watching.